Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer and I post beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content here on my channel. So if you like that type of content, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. I would love for you to join the family. And it has been a minute since I have sat down to film for you guys. My senior dog had knee surgery about 2 weeks ago, so she was taking up all of my time, plus I was still working at the salon and spa, so going back and forth, it was just crazy, a crazy 2 weeks for me. But she got her stitches out today, which is very exciting, and that means I am back to a regular filming schedule. I have missed you guys all so much. So I wanted to do something fun now that we are officially in fall. So I decided to create this really fun, pretty fall look for you guys. If you want to see how I created this look, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm just going to clip my hair back real quick. And I'm going to go in with my YSL Blur Primer. I really love this primer. It just helps to give you that really gorgeous airbrushed look. And then of course I'm going to go in with my favorite foundation of all time. It is the Huda Beauty foundation. It looks like this. And for a shade reference, I am currently the shade Latte, which is number 300N. But now that we're moving into fall winter time, my shade will be Toasted Coconut, which is 240N. Okay, next up for concealer, I'm actually going to take my Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the shade Nude. I have been loving this product for a concealer. It reminds me coverage-wise of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, but it's a little thicker of a cream, but I really love this. And now to blend it all out. For setting powder today, I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. I picked this up at Target for my Can You One Up Me video, and ever since I tried it in that video, I've been really loving it. It's a very lightweight powder and it's become my daily go-to setting powder simply because we're wearing masks all day at work, so I don't want to use up my expensive Hourglass powder just for it to rub off on the mask. So I've been using this as my daily powder and it's so nice. I'm just going to take a big fluffy powder brush. I'm just going to dust off any excess powder that may still be on my skin. For bronzer today, I'm going to take my Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm just going to take that same shade and do a light nose contour. So now on to the fun part, which is eyes. I'm gonna start my eye look with my all-time fave P. Louise eyeshadow base, and just pick a eyeshadow base that is close to your skin tone or lighter. And I'm gonna use the shade Rumor 1, and I'm just going to apply a little of this from my eyelid up to almost my brow bone. For this look, I really don't have a look in mind. I didn't really pre-plan anything, so I'm going to just kind of wing it. I'm going to first take my Huda Beauty, the new Khaki Haze palette. I've really been loving this palette. I think it's beautiful for fall. Khaki colors are my thing. Olive greens, browns, I just love it. So I'm going to take this light shade right here, and I'm going to first apply that to my crease. So how are you guys? It's been almost 2 weeks since I actually sat down to film anything. It's been so crazy on my end. So about 2 weeks ago, my senior dog actually ended up going in for TPLO surgery, which is kind of like a knee surgery for dogs. And with her recovery, it's been really time consuming for us, which is why I haven't uploaded a video recently. And but now that she just got her stitches out today, I can go back to a normal filming schedule, which I'm very happy about. It was just, the last 2 weeks have been crazy. And then for us in California, there is talk about us possibly moving backwards. So in California, they have the pandemic set up into 4 tiers: purple, red, orange, and yellow. And currently we are in red, but our number of cases have gone up, which means we might move back to purple. And if we do that, then spas will shut down again, which is no fun. So I've been kind of dealing with that the last 2 weeks, just kind of, I don't want to say like living on edge, but just being prepared for that announcement. Apparently they're supposed to make it tomorrow, which is a Tuesday. So prayers that things have changed for the better and we won't have to close. But as of now, I am preparing to shut my spa back down again, which is really sad because I've just really enjoyed being back in the salon and in the spa, seeing our clients, my staff. So to be shut down again would be very sad. So next up in the khaki palette, I'm going to take this darker brown and I'm going to apply that to my crease to just darken it just slightly. I'm not going to use a lot. So what has been going on with you guys? Let me know down in the comments. How has your October been? Anything crazy or fun or exciting happened with you guys this month? I know for us in California, Halloween is kind of canceled. They're not really doing any trick-or-treating activities, which is really sad for the kids. I feel like even with everything going on, there could be ways to still have trick-or-treating. I mean, I get where they're coming from because of the crowd situation, but you know, there could be, I don't know, a creative way to still have some type of trick-or-treating and still make it kind of fun. I know a lot of people, a lot of my friends, they're all kind of doing Halloween parties themselves to kind of still celebrate the holidays. So let me know what you guys are doing. If you're dressing up this year or if your kiddos are dressing up, let me know in the comments what they're going to be for Halloween. My daughter wants to be Coco from the Crash Bandicoot video game. She's played it like one time, but she's so in love with Coco's outfit. So that's what she wants to be for Halloween, which is fine by me because I literally just had to buy a white t-shirt and some overalls and pink chucks. So, you know, for 50, 60 bucks, I love it because it's something she can wear again. I'm not spending $60 on an outfit she's gonna wear one day. So I just have to figure out what to do with her hair because she's not a natural blonde, so. And she, of course, has to have blonde hair, like that's what she wants. So we'll figure it out. Okay, so for lip color, I'm going to take my Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity palette, which is the gorgeous large holiday palette that she just came out with. So I think for this look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, if you can see this red shade right here, and then the kind of the gold orange shade next to it. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the red on the inner and outer corners, and then I'm going to do the gold in the middle. And to apply it, I'm just going to take my finger. It's such a gorgeous red shade. This can totally be Christmassy as well. I was just kind of getting the inspiration from when all the leaves change color and they kind of go into that yellowy and red coloring. I just think it is so beautiful, and we don't really have fall here, so I really miss seeing all the leaves change and everything like that. And since you guys are part of my family and are subscribed to my channel, this is one of the items in my holiday giveaway, just to give you a little sneak peek. When this came out, I did purchase two, one for you guys, one for myself, and I just think it is the most gorgeous palette. So I can't wait to throw that in and see the looks you guys create with this palette. I think you guys are going to create some bomb ass looks. So moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to take that first brown shade from the khaki palette, and I'm just going to start sweeping that under my eye. Darker shade and intensify that, and I'm going to place that right under my lash line. Okay, so then I'm going to take a black eyeliner and I'm going to line my waterline. If you guys need a good one, this is the Essence Extreme Lasting Waterproof Eye Pencil. I have very watery eyes naturally, and this one just does a really good job at staying in the waterline, not disappearing, not leaking or running. I just love it. And honestly, the best part is it's like $3, so you really can't beat that. And then just because there is a clear line between the black in my waterline and the dark brown shadow that I put at my lash line, I'm just going to dip a little bit more into that dark brown shadow, and I'm just going to smudge lightly the bottom of my black eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm going to do my winged liner, mascara, and lashes off camera, and then I will be right back. But what I'm going to use is my Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner. You guys know if you've been following me for a while, this is my Ride or Die Liquid Eyeliner. And then I'm also going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Volume 2 mascara. This has quickly become one of my favorites. And then for lashes today, I'm gonna try some new ones. They are from Huda Beauty. They are the Luxe Faux Mink in style Jade or number 13. They are so pretty and they are more on the natural side in my opinion, but I'm going to apply these and I will be right back. All right, so I'm kind of back. I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, but I thought I would come talk to you guys while they're drying. So I'm really loving how this look turned out, and although I used reds and golds, which are typically used or worn around the holiday time, I do think it is a really pretty fall color because like I said, it kind of reminds me of when the leaves change, and that's my favorite time of year, seeing those bright red, bright yellow leaves. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. First impression, I really love these lashes. They're super lightweight. I can barely feel them on, and they are just so gorgeous. Okay, so now to finish off this look a little bit more, now that I look more human-like, I haven't worn a full face of makeup in probably 3 weeks or so. Shocking, I know. But usually when I go to work, because I'm wearing a mask all day, I literally just do foundation, I set it with powder, and I put on mascara, and that is it. So it is so nice and refreshing to see a full face of glam on my face. But moving on to lips, I'm going to take my Patrick Ta lip liner, and this is in the shade She's Bold. I love his lip liners because you don't have to sharpen them. They just click up and they're on a slant, which makes applying it so much easier. So moving on to lipstick, I think I want to keep it on the neutral side, so I'm going to use the Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Board Meeting. I've really been loving this color. It is so pretty. It's mostly a brown nude, but it's just got a hint of pink, which you guys know I don't like pink nudes, but this one is seriously perfection. Okay, now of course, to finish off this look, we absolutely need some highlight. So I'm going to take my Jouer highlighter in the shade Citrine, something like that. And I'm just going to add some to the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose. So pretty. I just love this highlight. I think it is so gorgeous, and it just gives you a nice pop without being too overpowering. I just think it is so gorgeous. So this completes today's look. I really hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It does help out my channel a lot. If this was your first time watching my videos, thank you so much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I do apologize that I was absent the last week and a half or so. My priority was just helping my dog recover, but I am back and I'm very excited to be back. So with that being said, I will see you guys all very soon. Bye you guys.